This lesson will teach you how to start writing linear equations. Now, a linear equation is the equation of a line. It is a graphable line. You're going to see it in higher level math classes. You're going to see it all over the SAT. There are equations to graph the lines. So we're going to start with this. You've got y equals mx, and I got bored, mx plus b, okay? So your m is going to be blue, and your b is going to be red, and that will be continued throughout the notes. Now here, you're going to write the equation. We'll do the first one. Write the equation of the line if the slope is 4 and the y-intercept is 1. The slope is 4. Remember, m is slope. So that goes in front of the x. Then, if the y-intercept is 1, well, your b value is the y-intercept. So you say plus 1. Now let me tell you about set equations. The set equation for a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. So when you're putting things in, it's plus b. But if b is negative, then you have to do something slightly different. And this is what I need to show you. It does not turn things positive. Let's go to the next one over here. Write the equation of the line if the slope is 5 and the y-intercept is negative 9. Well, the slope is 5. Goes right in front of the x. But the y-intercept is negative 9. So what I'm going to do, it's like putting it in a box. You're filling in the blank. And I'm going to put parentheses around the negative 9 because plus a minus gets really confusing. So then your equation will change just a little bit. That is mathematically correct, but it will look like y equals 5x minus 9. So what you're doing, you're filling in the blanks. I'll even put a blank here. You're filling in the blanks, and sometimes when you fill in the blanks, you're going to end up changing a sign. Are you with me on that one? Plus a negative means minus. This is okay. This is proper. I would not mark the first one wrong, but it's better if you can write it the second way. But you're going to get there. All right, let's take a look at, again, blue is slope. Now, you're going to write the equation where you have to find the slope. Now, you learned this in Unit 5. You learned how to use the slope formula. So let's write, I'll use green. We need the points. This point right here is negative 6, positive 2. And this point is 0, negative 2. So here are the 2 points we can use to find our slope. And I've told you, and I'm going to tell you again. Label your points. This will be x1, y1. This will be x2, y2. It's a whole lot easier to plug in things into a formula when you remember what they are. So let's do the slope formula. I'm going to do my little boxes. Well, I don't have enough room to do little boxes. Sorry about that. No little boxes. Now I'm going to plug things in. y2 is, on mine, it's 2. Minus, what's y1? y1 is 2. Oh, that's negative 2. Sorry, I can't read my own writing. y2 is negative 2. Minus 2 over x2 is 0. Minus x1 is negative 6. Well, what's negative 2 minus 2? It is negative 4. And 0 minus negative 6 is like saying 0 plus 6, so it's 6. But we're not going to do negative 4 over 6. We're going to reduce it. You can reduce it to negative 2 over 3. Let's circle that. That's my m, 2 over 3. I'm going to put it over here, negative 2 over 3. Nothing wrong with having a fractional slope. It's perfectly fine. And you know what? You probably learned last unit that graphing with a fractional slope was actually easier than graphing with a whole number slope. So negative 2 over 3x. Now, we have to find our y-intercept, our b. Now, the y-intercept, remember, is where the line crosses the y-axis. Well, we have a dot right here. The line crosses the y-axis at 0, negative 2. So our y-intercept is negative 2. When x is 0, y is negative 2. Let that sink in. So here's my proper equation. This is right, but y equals negative 2 over 3 x minus 2 is perfectly prim and proper. I think I'll be able to cover this in class, but take the time, look at this, listen, and rewatch it. Nice job, guys.